Hello and happy 4th of July, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, I want to give a shout out to my good friend Kendall over at Head Chef Mom. She's been away from YouTube for a while, but she'll be back on there soon. She has some yummy down-home recipes, and she's a Southern diva like I am. Y'all go check out her channel. Tell her Ellen sent you. Y'all gonna love and enjoy her. Well, today I'm gonna share with all of y'all a summer berry galette. And a galette is a French style tart. It's very delicate and it's almost like a pie, but it's rustic. And you can add any fruit to it. Apples, raspberries, blackberries, peaches. But today I'm gonna use strawberries and blueberries. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's gonna be full of berry goodness. And this berry galette would be perfect for your summer barbecues, potlucks, and picnics, and also for your 4th of July menu. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this dessert. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other summer barbecue side dishes and my previous video, Southern Macaroni Salad. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your blueberries, and your strawberry sugar, because we're about to bake some summer berry galette magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prepare our berry filling. In my bowl, I have 3 cups of fresh sliced strawberries and blueberries. And into our berries, we're going to add in 1½ teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And in my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. And I mix these together until they're well incorporated. This is going to be our thickening agent. Going to give these a quick stir until they're well combined. Love the smell of fresh blueberries and strawberries. Alright, so now we're going to set the berries aside while we work on the crust. I have placed my pie dough on a lightly floured surface, and this is my homemade pie crust recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. So I'm going to add the dust and the flour on top, and using my rolling pin, we're just going to roll it to a 12-inch disc. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish rolling my pie crust, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have placed my pie crust onto my pan. I placed it on a 9 by 13-inch baking pan that I lined with parchment paper. So now we're going to add 1/4 cup of strawberry preserves right on top. I'm just going to spread it all over. You can also use strawberry jam or blueberry jam. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish spreading my strawberry preserves, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through spraying my strawberry preserves. So now we're going to spoon the berries right on top. Like so. Alright, so now we're going to take the edges, just going to fold them like this. We're going to pleat them. And make sure you tighten it. And over here in my bowl, I have 1 extra large egg and a tablespoon of water made in egg wash. And I mix it until it's well incorporated. Just going to brush it on the crust so it gives us a Nice golden brown color. And this is optional. I'm going to add in some butter chunks on the crust. I like a nice buttery crust. And I also like to put some on top of my berries, giving extra flavor. And now I'm going to sprinkle some white sugar right on top of the crust. Alrighty, now ready to put this galette in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Summer Berry Galette. It's nice and golden brown and bubbly. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. I gently place my galette onto my cake stand. So now we're going to let it cool completely. And I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And I'm serving it with some whipped cream on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The berries is juicy and flavorful, and the crust is buttery, perfectly baked. This berry galette is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Now add some whipped cream. Yum. Oh. Summer Berry Galette-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or Facebook, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy 4th of July.